Hey guys, how's it going tonight? My name is Robert. Want us to post this video. This is kind of an introduction video to myself and to this YouTube channel. Just started this YouTube channel a couple days ago. I wanted to start this channel primarily to talk about stock market, stock trading, and it's geared and aimed towards beginning stock traders, up and coming stock traders, struggling stock traders, people that just haven't got it figured out yet. Of course, anybody's welcome. I welcome criticism. I welcome comments. I welcome other people's suggestions and just trying to help people. I feel like the stock market is a community, or should be a community of people helping people, but instead it's a dog-eat-dog place, and you find a lot of people not willing to help and share their knowledge or share their mistakes, their strategies. It's share anything with people. They just for some reason, it's like if I tell you how to do something, or I won't tell you how to do something, I should say, because you're going to be taking my money. Now, that's just not how it works. There's no way that that's how it is. I wish that somebody would have come along and told me all of the things that I'm about to tell you over the next few videos, the next few weeks. I wish that somebody would come and told me all of this stuff and helped me out. Instead, I started, on my own. Didn't know anything about it. Never had read a book. Never watched a YouTube video. That was the beginning of my fall in the stock market. So this video is the introduction to it. The next video that I talk about is going to go back in my history to when I started, talk about the mistakes that I made, this and that, things that I've done. As far as about me, I'm 31 years old. I've been trading in the market for the last 4 years, most of it unsuccessfully. About 4 months ago or so, a buddy and I got together, and well, actually mostly it was him. He was on vacation and he had just a lot of time to think about things and do nothing. And why he didn't spend his vacation on the beach on a boat or something like that, I don't know, but he spent it building a stock scanner or something that would be beneficial to us. So we'd always made losing trades. No matter what, I can make a good trade today, horrible trade tomorrow, lose everything that I had made plus some. So he developed this scanner, or this set of parameters that we were going to use to pick out our stocks. We worked on it, we refined it, we practiced with it, and we got to where we were today. Without that stopping, I would still be stuck doing probably the same stupid stuff that I was doing, but I was tired of doing those things. I got into the stock market because I wanted to not get rich. I mean, who doesn't want to get rich in the stock market? You know what I mean? It's one of those things, though. People think you're in the stock market and you're going to be rich tomorrow. You think you're going to buy 100 shares of something for 10 cents, and next week it's going to be worth $1,000 a share, and that's just not how it works. That's not how I thought it worked when I started, but I kind of thought it was something similar to that, and boy, was I wrong. But the whole reason that I do this is I want to increase my wealth. Living paycheck to paycheck sucks, and I'm not expecting to, even by within the next 5 years, to be good enough at this, proficient enough to be living off of trading in the stock market. But it's definitely possible. I've seen videos, watched people, talk to people that within a year they have made enough money in the stock market that they've been able to quit their regular jobs, and they can sit at home and they can make what I would make in a month in 30 minutes or an hour one morning a week. So it's definitely possible to get to that, but that's not it's a goal, but it's not my goal, if that makes any sense. I try to look at the stock market as a giant bank. Take $500, and if you make $20 on it today, or however, even if you make $10 on it today, or on a trade that takes 2 days, and people would say, well, that's a lot of risk for only $10. Yeah, but you didn't lose because you made an informed trade, and that's way better interest rate than you're going to get at any bank. So I try to use it to increase my wealth, which is what everybody tries to use it for. But I'm definitely not in the mind frame right now that I'm going to do this today and tomorrow I'm going to be able to quit my job and be rich. It'd be nice, but that's not what I'm planning on doing. So anybody that's watching this video or wants to watch the rest of my videos, please don't come into it thinking that you're going to be rich tomorrow, because it's just not the way that it works. It takes time. It takes a lot of time studying. It takes a lot of time practicing, paper trading, and it takes a lot of time to build that wealth, to build that account, to build that capital up, especially if you're starting with a little bit of money. You don't have to come into it with $10,000. You could start with $100. The more you have, the faster you'll be able to make money if you're doing it right. You'll be able to lose a lot of money faster too, but you can definitely come in with $50 or $100 and be successful in the stock market. I don't want to keep this video, I don't want this video to go very long. I just kind of wanted it to be an introduction video. Like it, subscribe, share it. Be watching out for the next few days. I'm going to put out a little bit longer video. It's going to talk about my history, and it's probably going to end up being a video that has a few parts, so I don't bore you all at once. But I'm going to go back in and talk about what I've done, what I should have done different, things I would have listened or I should have listened to, things, just everything that could have made this whole experience different. And I'm going to bring it right up until where I'm at today and show you guys the strategy that we're using, how it works, why it works, and hopefully help some people that are struggling in the stock market. Like I said, like it, share it, save it, do whatever you're going to do with this video, comment on it, just keep coming back, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time. Have a good night.